Today I'm going to start a series for just this week called Making My HelloFresh Meals. Now, let's be clear, I am not sponsored by HelloFresh. However, if they want to give me one, I'll gladly take it. Five meals for the week, plus I got some cookies. So today's meal will be pasta Primavera with salmon, plus lemon, parm sauce, bell pepper, zucchini, and peas. It's a premium pick, so I had to pay a little extra for it. Prep time is 10 minutes, cook time is 30, and it has 1,000 calories per meal. So what they do is they give you a bag of meat, and this is the recipes. I have to bust out a couple things. Large pot. Oh no. A zester, baking sheet, strainer, paper towel, sure salt, black pepper, cooking oil, olive oil, butter. We have olive oil. Sadly, we don't have cooking oil. And I have margarine, which is pretty much the same thing. One of these guys. Let's hope this is an ample area for you to view me. Nice. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Wash and dry produce. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Just a zucchini in a bag, my guy. Alrighty, we're gonna have it, we're gonna core it, and we're gonna thinly slice the bell pepper. So, I've never cut bell pepper before. Put these on a pan. Now we're going to finely chop chives. Oven is done, so we're going to toss bell pepper and zucchini on a baking sheet with drizzle, oil, and salt, and pepper. Okay. Wow, forgot this was a new one. Mix them around a little bit. We're going to salt the veggies, pepper. Oh, I hate them.
Hey, sorry about that. It was work. Any questions about this? Using one of them, I have to like reprocess it for the second case before it starts. It smells really good. Oh.
All right, we got the pasta. While that was boiling, I got the salmon set up over here. And there's not anything I have to do. I just have to wait for the vegetables to finish, and then I put it back in the oven. Mom smells really good.
Is he still paused?
No. Alright. We don't have oven mitts because he didn't buy any. Oh my god. Alright. Honestly, don't think I need to do that. Because there's already oil on it. It said to let them skin down, so that's what we're going to do. Alright. Take some, I'm going to grab a cup of water. And a pot used for pasta over the medium heat. So we're going to put this back on, but medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. The Italian seasoning. 1 teaspoon. Alright. Cook, stirring for 30 seconds. It says whisk in cheese roux. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh, I messed up. I messed up big time. You guys saw that happen? That's not good. But what I am gonna do real quick is at least open the cream cheese. Maybe I can put this in there, you know? Oh, gross. Oh. Alright, that's perfect. Honestly, I don't know if the salmon is done. It looks done though. So we're gonna do that. Oh, that's just gonna, yep. Alright. Half of the Parmesan.
It smells fantastic.